CLSK stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in the space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And when I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something, bro. It's all documented. And especially with CLSK, I'm looking to take it still further higher. Like, even when I zoom out, you will see that the whole shift that I got here just gave me 1 win and then 2 break-evens. And since the price is pulling down quite hard, this is still a beautiful demand zone, but it's not going to be a buy unless I see a proper shift and a double break. You know what I mean? So that's how it's looking like for me. And all I will be rather doing in the meantime is still keep waiting for rules. I mean, I do have a bunch of receipts here with about 15 results. So that's especially how CLSK is looking like. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy, and that's all I kind of have to say that is right now. See you.